stand by, and lights, camera, sound, and action, and a whole lot more in the EZVIZ Home Security Camera. Let's take a look at this leading observation device right here on TechForce. Okay, let's see what we get in the box. Well, this is obviously the camera. It has a good weight to it. Now, would you look at this? A micro USB charging cable. I haven't seen one of these in ages. How retro! Nowadays, most connections are USB-C. Here are some screws and a mounting bracket. Here we get the manuals and a handy little sticker that's going to help when we have to drill the holes for the mount. Very thoughtful. Time now for a little DIY. It seems very straightforward. Just drill the two holes where you want to put up the camera. Then put these two plugs in and hammer them in gently. Now, screw on the mount and then screw on the camera. Installation is a breeze. Even Bob the Builder could do it, and he's a fictional character. To operate the camera, you're going to need to download the app. Then follow the very easy setup instructions to get your camera up and running. This took me around 5 minutes to get everything paired, which is really not too bad. At this point, you're going to want to put in your micro SD card, which unfortunately is not provided. But you can grab one from Amazon for around $10. Check the link below for that. Another option would be to pay for the cloud storage, but this incurs another fee, and it might just be safer to have all the evidence you need on your very own micro SD card. Once again, we have a battery in a device, which means it's going to need power or it's going to need some form of recharging. Luckily, the folks at EZVIZ do offer a solar panel option to keep your battery charged, but you would need to purchase this separately on the Amazon website. EZVIZ has a great selection of cameras that come with solar panels and with batteries that can run for more than 200 days before needing to be recharged. This model is the CB3 and its battery runs for around 120 days, which is also very reasonable. Now, I haven't been able to test this, but I can tell you it's been running just fine for the last 7 days. Even if it only needs to be charged every 100 days, this means we only need to charge it about 4 or 5 times a year, which is great news, as long as it is in a place that is not too inaccessible. The last thing you want is to end up on the internet as one of those people falling off a ladder. The internet is full of them, so please don't become just another meme. When it comes to the design, it has a sleek and modern look, but you can also purchase them in grey or black, depending if you want your camera to be visible as a deterrent or hidden away in the shadows. It's been made out of plastic, but it still feels like a good quality product. I feel it'll stand up to all the elements very well. The video quality is 1080p, so you can watch what's going on outside in high definition. You can keep an eye on your children, pets, or bad guys in very good quality. It also has an integrated PIR sensor and person shape detection algorithm, so it can notify you when a person is detected. This alarm won't go off if your cat, dog, duck, cow, or donkey walk past the camera. Another great feature is a built-in light that turns on when it is extremely dark. This is a good feature but might affect the battery. It also has two-way audio communication, so you can have a little conversation with your would-be intruder. It is packed with loads of cool features and reminds me a little of Ed 209 from RoboCop. Yes, minus the machine guns and the rocket launcher, but basically a baby Ed 209. EZVIZ, maybe this could be an upgrade for a future model. A solar panel and a rocket launcher combo. I'm sure it would be a bestseller. Before we get to my final thoughts, let's take this moment in time to do something for your fellow man, to make a change in someone's life, and hit that like and subscribe button and push the bell icon to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Go on, make a change. In conclusion, $100 for this camera is not a bad price, but I would look at upgrading the unit with a solar panel just so that I never have to charge it and run the risk of becoming an internet meme. I really don't want to end up like these people falling off ladders. Oh, ouch, that one's gotta hurt. A while ago, on this channel, we took a look at Reolink and the cameras they have to offer. They offer a few camera options as well, which are maybe worth taking a quick look at. This includes the Reolink Argus Eco, which is cheaper and comes with a solar panel. So I'll link the Reolink product below, take a look at it, and make your decision from there. Until next time, let me take my own advice and head over to buy that solar panel. Ooh, EZVIZ has a suggestions box. Let me put in, would you guys think about adding machine guns and rocket launchers to future models? Regards, TechForce.